Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. We have another earwax extraction video for you. So you can see a particularly hairy ear canal, this one. And this gentleman's come through with reduced hearing. No pain or discomfort, just a reduction in hearing. So we're going to use the standard size ulnar tube to start us off. Lots of people ask why do we trim the hairs in the ear canal? The honest answer is, if it's not affecting our view, which a lot of the time it doesn't with the endoscope, there's no need. You're just trimming them for the sake of trimming them. Then we can get a good view, we can get the wax out, and then we leave them there. As far as this wax is concerned, we can just see it all start to pull away. Get some of the softer pieces away first of all. Get into the much deeper, harder stuff now. I've had a few people asking me recently why people don't realise that they've got this much wax in their ears. The answer is because if you have any gap in that wax at all, any gap in the canal whatsoever, that will still allow the sound through. So in the majority of cases, these patients won't have noticed they've had any hearing issues whatsoever until it really blocks. So most of these patients are coming through and they've only felt blocked up in the last few days to a week. So you can see that this would really sneak up on somebody. Here we are, just taking some of the bigger pieces away. Because we've hit some of the tougher, harder stuff, and a lot of this wax is bound together with these little tiny hairs that you can see in here as well. We're going to use the Jobson horn to roll this down. It just gives us a slightly better bit of leverage on the wax than the suction tube, because the suction finds it really difficult to get a good grip with all those little hairs in there. You can see what a hairy piece of wax this is that's coming out. I think a lot of these hairs are from trims, more than likely of ear hair, embedding into that wax there. Here you go. You can see all the little tiny hairs all around this, binding this all together. And there we have a lovely eardrum. Looks perfect, lovely, shiny, pearlescent, exactly the way it should look. So this is what we removed. You can see that large hairy piece there to the right hand side, the three smaller pieces we took away at the beginning. The Jobson horn there in the standard size ulnar tube. Lots of people ask, do we have a large ulnar? We don't. That is the biggest ulnar tube we use. So if you've enjoyed the video again today, guys, then if you don't mind liking, subscribing, sharing, that would be absolutely brilliant. And don't forget, there's new videos coming in every Tuesday and Friday. So as always, guys, take care.